Ini adalah tutorial untuk aktivasi Office yang kita bikin hari ini, Office 2021. Pertama, masukkan installation kode, ketik di notepad. Kita akan telepon menggunakan Skype. Nomornya ini ya, atau nanti kita sertakan di email. Kita mulai sekarang.
Hi, thanks for calling the Microsoft Product Activation Service.
Para español, diga español o oprima el 2. Pour le français, dites français ou presse 3.
To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and training, this call may be recorded or monitored, and information collected on this call may be accessed by Microsoft affiliates, subsidiaries, and service providers internationally. To consent to recording or monitoring of this call, press 1. To continue without recording or monitoring, press 2. Thank you. This call will not be recorded or monitored. For security purposes, I need you to repeat the following phrase: 3, 8, 4. Thank you. Let's see what I can help with. Are you calling to activate Office or Windows? Need help with remote desktop licenses or something else?
Office.
Okay, help with activation. First, are you calling to activate Office on a Windows device, or is this for Mac?
Office on Windows device.
Got it, thanks. Before we start the activation process, are you at your computer with the activation window open?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. In order to activate your product, I'll need to confirm your installation ID. This is the number that should appear in 6 or 7-digit groups on your activation window. Do you have this number up on your screen?
Yes.
Perfect. Please let me know when you are ready to start speaking the installation ID.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, please read aloud the first group of digits, speaking one digit at a time. I believe you said 7004184. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Please read the second group of digits. I believe you said 9331591. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, please read the third group of digits. Okay, that was 3244241. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thanks. Please read the next group of digits. Okay, that was 016701. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Great. Please read the fifth group of digits. Sorry, I don't think I quite got that. Please repeat the fifth group of digits once more. Okay, please read the sixth group of digits. Okay, that was 2651842. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, please read the seventh group of digits. I believe you said 6081250. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Thanks. Please read the eighth group of digits. I believe you said 8094033. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, please read the ninth group of digits. I believe you said 9678803. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Okay, great. One moment while I validate your installation ID. Looks like I will need one more piece of information from you in order to finish validating your installation ID. Please tell me how many devices you have installed this copy of Office on.
One device.
Thank you. One moment while I attempt to verify the information you have provided. Your installation ID was successfully validated. To complete your activation, I will now read you your confirmation ID. I will read you your confirmation ID in 6-digit segments, which you will need to enter into the empty blocks on your activation window. Please let me know when you are ready for me to start speaking your confirmation ID.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, in block A, please enter 202715. Again, that was 202715. Please say next after you have entered those in block A, or I can repeat that block again if you need.
Next.
Please enter 887565 into block B. Again, that was 887565. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
Again, please enter 770974 into block C. Again, that was 770974. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
The previous. Please enter 754711 into block D. Again, that was 754711. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
Please enter 229435 into block E. Again, that was 22945.
Next.
Please enter 508663 into block F. Again, that was 508663. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
Please enter 87208 into block G. Again, that was 87208. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
Okay, this is the last block. Please enter 58272 into block H. Again, that was 58272. Say done when you are finished. The previous block was 58272, and that needs to be entered into block H in your activation window. Please say next or press 1 when you are ready to continue.
Untuk yang ini sudah tidak perlu ya, jadi tinggal di close aja, kemudian di close telepon, berarti kita sudah selesai. Ini Office kita sudah berhasil teraktivasi. Jadi setelah ketik langsung di back aja, kemudian pilih online, kemudian di next. Jadi ini sebenarnya tidak perlu dimasukkan. Oke, sekian dulu dari saya. Terima kasih. Selamat pagi.